This choir is...
Guy.
Okay. Call my name, like a little bread. Down on my knees, I wanna take you there. In the midnight hour, I can feel your power. Just like a bread, you know I'll take you there. Call my name, it's like a little bread. I'm down on my knees, I wanna take you there. In the midnight hour, I can feel your power. Just like a bread, you know I'll take you there. More time, okay? More time. I'm gonna go over here because it's always over here where there's a This is your rehearsal.
When you come on,
Okay, so you give your time. It's your when you
call my name, like a little bread.
when you
Call my name, it's like a little bread. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there in the midnight hour. I can feel your power, just like a bread. You know I'll take you there.
time, okay? One time, I'm gonna come over here.
Can I stay here?
And I'm all around here.
Okay, okay.
All right, this is the time.
Okay.
You hear the time? You hear the drums? Okay. All right. Ready? One. When?
When, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you call my name, it's like a little bread. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there in the midnight hour. I can feel your power, just like a bread. You know I'll take you there.
All right, it's your turn. We're gonna practice over here, all right? You guys ready? Ready? Listo? ¿Entiendes? Ya más fuerte. Give me some time, DJ.
Hey, Mr. DJ. Hey, Mr. DJ.
When, that's the note, okay? All around. When you call back, okay, you got it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, during the show, I'm going to come up to you and I'm going to push the microphone in your face. Okay, don't stand there like you're retarded, okay? Put your phone down.